Good morning, children. Sairam. Welcome to your English online session. Children, today we will continue with lesson number 3.4, How the First Letter Was Written, part 4. Now, children, before that, let us learn some new words and phrases and how to frame sentences. First one, panted. Now, panted means breathe with short, quick breaths because of exertion. Okay, so panted means breathe with short, quick breaths. For example, the child panted after running a 600 meters race. The child panted after running a 600 meters race. Next one, scratched. Scratched means a cut or mark that a sharp thing makes. For example, her arms were scratched by the thorns. Her arms were scratched by the thorns. Next one, knocked down. Knocked down means to strike to the ground with a sharp blow. He died in hospital after being knocked down by a car. He died in hospital after being knocked down by a car. Primitive. Primitive means very simple, not developed. The cooking facilities were very primitive. The cooking facilities were very primitive. Now, children, let us proceed further. But before that, let us have a quick recap. Now, children, if you remember, this is a picture which was drawn by Taffy on a bird's park. Yes, let us have a look at this picture, children. Now, children, Taffy had drawn her father, or you can say her daddy. Okay, yes, have a look, children. This is Taffy's daddy with the spear broken. This is she herself, Taffy, explaining to the stranger man. Even the stranger man is having a spear in his hand. Just to remember that he has to get it. And then these are the two trees which are drawn by her. These are the beavers, okay. These are the beavers, and this is the cave where he has to go and get another spear for her daddy. This is the spear. Actually, it is inside the cave, but she has drawn it outside the cave. And here it's a mother. She is very happy. She is very pleased, okay, that Taffy has drawn, okay, something. So this is the picture which is drawn by Taffy. Yes, but what was the stranger man's interpretation? Now, stranger man, he thought that the chief, that is, now he thought that Taffy's father is a chief of a tribe, and there's a battle which is going to be fought, and the chief will be killed by his enemies, and they needed help. So he thought that he will definitely help them. Okay, he will get the help from the chief's tribe. Okay, so immediately he took the picture, okay, and he raced off in the bushes like a wind, okay, to provide help for them. Okay, now let us see what happens next. The stranger man, did you know he was a Tevara? Hurried away with the picture and ran for some miles till quite by accident he found the Shumai Tivindro at the door of a cave, talking to some other Neolithic ladies who had come in to a primitive lunch. Taffy was very like Teshumai, especially about the upper part of the face and the eyes. So the stranger man, always a pure Devara, smiled politely and handed Teshumai the birch bark. He had run hard so that he panted, and his legs were scratched with brambles, but he still tried to be polite. Now, children, you all know that stranger man, he belonged to a far tribe. Okay, he was a Tevara. So he hurried away with the picture and he ran for some miles. Then he accidentally found Teshumai Tivindro at the door of her cave, and she was talking to some other Neolithic ladies who had come into a primitive lunch. Now, children, primitive means here, children, it is not much developed, okay? Taffy was very like Teshumai, especially the upper part of the face and the eyes. So, Taffy, she resembled her mother, okay? The upper part of the face and the eyes. So, the stranger man, always a pure Devara, smiled politely and handed Teshumai the birch bark. He had run hard, so he panted. Okay, so he was breathing very quickly, and his legs were scratched with brambles. Now, children, brambles are wild prickly bushes. Okay, so because of that, his legs were scratched, but he still tried to be very polite. As soon as Teshumai saw the picture, she screamed like anything and flew at the stranger man. The other Neolithic ladies at once knocked him down and sat on him in a long line of 6 while Teshumai pulled his hair. So, children, as soon as Teshumai, when she saw the picture, she screamed. That is, scream means a loud cry. Okay, when you yell like anything, and she flew at the stranger man. Even the other Neolithic ladies who had come for primitive lunch, they at once knocked him down and sat on him in a long line of 6. They all sat on this stranger man while Teshumai pulled his hair. Let's have a look, children. Yes, just have a look, children, at this picture. All these ladies, that is the Neolithic ladies, they have knocked this poor man, okay, and then Teshumai Tivindro, she is sitting on him, okay. So, they all were sitting on the stranger man, okay. So, children, this poor stranger man is knocked down by all these Neolithic ladies. It is as plain as the nose on the stranger man's face, she said. He has stuck my Tegumai all full of spears and frightened poor Taffy so that her hair stands all on end. And not content with that, he brings me a horrid picture of how it was done. So, children, she feels that the stranger man had stuck Tegumai all full of spears and frightened poor Taffy, so her hair stands on all end. And not satisfied with that, he had brought a picture also, okay, to show how it was done. Look, she showed the picture to all the Neolithic ladies sitting patiently on the stranger man. So, she had shown the picture to all these ladies, all these Neolithic ladies, and they all were sitting on this stranger man. Yes, here is my Tegumai with his arm broken. Here is a spear sticking into his back. Here is a man with a spear ready to throw. Here is another man throwing a spear from a cave. And here are a whole pack of people. They were Taffy's beavers really, but they did look rather like people. Coming up behind Tegumai. Isn't it shocking? So, children, what is her interpretation about the drawing? She had shown this picture to all these Neolithic ladies. Now, what is her interpretation? What is Teshumai Tivindro's interpretation about this drawing? She feels that Tegumai is drawn. Now, as Tegumai is drawn with a broken fishing spear. So, she feels, here is my Tegumai with his broken arm. Children, just have a look. She feels, her interpretation is that Tegumai, okay, here the Tegumai is drawn with a broken fishing spear. But what did she feel? She feels that his arm is broken. And here is a spear sticking to his back. Here is a man ready to throw the spear. Okay, here is a man ready to throw the spear. Here is another man throwing a spear from a cave. So, another man throwing a spear from the cave. And here are a whole pack of people. Now, here children, this pack of people is actually the beavers, but then they look like people. Okay, they were Taffy's beavers really, but they did look rather like people coming up behind Tegumai. So she feels that these all people, they are coming for Tegumai. Okay, so they look like people. Actually, they were the beavers which were drawn by Taffy. So they were coming up behind Tegumai. So that was her interpretation. So that was shocking enough. So isn't it shocking? So children, the interpretation was different. For Stranger Man, he had a different interpretation, and Teshumite Windrow had a different interpretation of this drawing, which was made by Taffy. Okay, so children, here we complete this story. So what did you learn from this story? The children, here, according to the author Rudyard Kipling, he is trying to connect real world with a simple primitive story, that how people from different backgrounds can assume similar thing differently. So children, different people, they have different perception. They look at things in a different way. So story talks about difference in perception of different people. That is, one same thing is understood by one person in one way and other person in the other. How different individuals interpret a given information according to their own understanding. So it depending on the perception of a person. It varies from person to person or individual to individual. So here the author is trying to connect the real world with a primitive story. That is, the people from different backgrounds can assume similar thing differently. That is, same thing is understood differently by different people. And it talks about difference in perception. That is, what is your opinion? How do you look at certain things? Okay, so difference in perception of different people. How different individuals interpret, how they understand a given information according to their own understanding. So here also children, we have seen the Stranger Man, his interpretation was different, and Teshumite Windrow, her interpretation was different. Yes, so each and every individual has his own way of thinking. Okay, so children, from this lesson we understood that how the first message was written. Basically it was pictorial. So how the first message was written, and it was humorously misunderstood by the messenger as well as the receiver. So there was a confusion. Okay, both of them had, the messenger as well as the receiver, both of them have misunderstood this message. Okay, but it was the first message which was written, and it was a pictorial. It was a picture which was drawn by Taffy. Yes, so I hope you have understood this story. Okay, thank you my dear students. Take care of yourself. Sign on.